Good morning and welcome to our first assembly of the summer term. Normally I would have walked into school at about 7:45 in the morning. There would have been many children already here enjoying the sunshine, running around outside. The older boys would be stood outside the school building comparing their new cricket bats for the season ahead. Sadly, as we are all well aware, this term and this year it is somewhat different. And yet we remain a community. Lying at the heart of the word community is unity. And both the words community and unity are taking on a slightly different meaning. We might not be together here at school. Many pupils are not with us. Some of the teachers are not in at this moment in time. Some of the support staff are not in at this moment in time. But it is my sincere hope that before too long we will return to West House and we will be once again that physical community of which we are all so proud. In the meantime, we remain a community at distance. We remain united at distance on very many levels. Thursday evenings, when we stand outside our houses at 8 o'clock and we applaud the fantastic efforts of our NHS, we are showing unity for the fantastic work that continues to be going on the front line. It is perhaps the greatest show of unity that we could possibly hope for in these challenging times. As a community of West House, we are still united. We are still showing unity in preparing lessons, in delivering those lessons, and in you, both children and parents, engaging with that process to ensure that the school continues to move forward, to ensure that education does not stand still. And I am sure and sincerely hope that at a family level you continue to show unity. Parents, I fully understand that this is testing. I have read some of the emails. I have spoken to some of you. These are challenges that we have not faced in a generation. But by showing unity, by sticking together, we will get through this at every single level. And I continue to harbour the hope that at some point this term, possibly after half term, our community will once again come together on this site so that we can enjoy the friendships that we are missing so much. In the meantime, we're back to it. It's time once again to get that balance right. The learning process has not stopped. We have tweaked the provision to make it as easy as we possibly can for you to access and for parents, for you to help to support. The show goes on and we're back to it this very morning. Stay safe.